Hi everybody, it's Jetropolis, and just wanted to make a quick video about using the awesome new Cosmic Champs CREW3 Quest Discord tool. So this is an awesome way that you can earn some points, and there's going to be some fun rewards and things coming up for people that compete and complete these quests going forward. So it's a very easy site to use. You're going to want to go to cosmicchamps.crew3.xyz to get this link. You can find the Cosmic Champs Medium article to get the link as well. So when you first log in, you'll see this screen. So the first thing you need to do is get connected. So up here in the top right corner, click connect, and you're going to want to connect up with Discord. So I've already logged in, but make sure that you log into your Discord profile and authorize this access. And once you get in, you'll see your account profile pop up here. So just to check your account settings, first off, go here. You can set up a username for yourself. Make sure that you like your background image, your profile image, and then I'd recommend pasting your Algorand wallet address in here as well. That way, when prizes get sent out, they can send it directly into your wallet. So that's kind of the first steps to get your account set up. I've already done a couple quests, but let me just kind of walk you through a couple things. So up here, you can just kind of scroll through and view by type of quests, but like Discord quests. So this is where you can invite people from the community and then just submit a screenshot of that. If you're on Windows, a really easy way to do a screenshot is hit the Windows key, type in snip, and you can use this snipping tool to create a screenshot. So rectangle mode is pretty simple to use. You just click new and drag a box over what you want to screenshot, and then you can right click and save it, and then upload that picture to claim your reward. This one, it actually, you're going to want to update that screenshot in order to do it. If you want to boost the server, you can do that. And then, so these are some Twitter challenges that you just retweet the most recent post, some following things. So a lot of these are screenshots. So again, you're going to want to use the snipping tool that I showed you. Some of them have requirements to upload your screenshot, like a web link. So what I do and what I'd suggest is go to Google Drive and create a new account if you don't have one already, but you can just upload your file. So here's an example that I did. So I uploaded my follow here, and then you can right click it, get link, and make sure that you drop down that anyone with the link can view it, because by default it should be restricted. So make sure that anyone with the link can see it, copy that link, and then you can paste that information into the challenge to complete it. And then it looks like once you complete the inviting friends in Discord challenge, you kind of unlock a lot of other things. So that's going to be one that you'll really want to do. Another thing to look at are these content challenges. They have a lot of experience points for them. So if you want to write a cool article about Cosmic Champs, if you want to write or make an infographic, that's really awesome and heavily needed. Or if you want to make a video, kind of like what I do, you can go here and make that happen as well. And then it looks like some basic upvotes that I did as well. So I guess the biggest tip that I have is using the snipping tool to make screenshots, and then Google Drive to get those web links if those are needed. So some of them, when you submit the screenshots, they're not going to be instantly giving you points. So you have to kind of like wait. It'll say in review. And I imagine once they complete reviewing it, you'll get those points, and this will say completed. So you can also come here, check out the leaderboard, and I'm in 8th place right now with all the things that I've done. So working my way up that leaderboard. It looks like a lot of you are already kind of doing this, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, keep going. Notifications, yeah. So you can see here's all the things that you can review kind of the things that you've done, which is fantastic. So uh, that's a good way to get a good idea of what you've done, what's like pending, and yeah, it looks like a really cool tool. I'm very excited to keep plugging away at this and seeing like what kind of rewards Cosmic Champs provides. So that's all I've got for this video. Please hit me up on all the Cosmic Champs communities if you see me, and beta release coming soon. So I cannot wait to challenge you all to a game of Cosmic Champs once that releases. Have a great one. Bye.